see how the saw mount does on the first ride. Got everyone else with me today.
Big saw. Get as much kudos as we can. Is there anything you want to tell anyone? Nah, that's what I already kind of did. Well, I got it on, so they can clip it. These saw mounts make you like Jesus Christ out here. I don't know. People start telling you their secret trails if you have a chainsaw mount. Yeah, right. It's nice. There's a hint.
All right, so now we're back. That was a cold ride. First ride on the saw mount went good. Definitely you feel a difference on the front end of the bike with an extra 15 pounds on it. The bike definitely steered a lot slower and also like to get away a little bit more on the front end, but you know, 15-pound saw on the front. Definitely glad I brought the bigger one. As you can see, there's a few logs out there that are pretty decent size, and a lot harder to do my wheelies with that extra weight. But hey, you know what? The mount held up well. You gotta make sure you put the straps on right. Don't be a freaking dingus like me and put on the damn straps wrong. So once you do that, saw never moved. It was good to go.